Hey there, everyone. Let's chat about why kids might cough. There are a bunch of reasons for it. For starters, viral infections like the flu or even bacterial infections can lead to coughing. Allergies to things like dust, pollution, or certain foods might also set it off. Plus, conditions like asthma can cause the airways to narrow and produce mucus, leading to a cough. Eating really hot or spicy foods, along with irritation from dust or air pollution, can also play a role. And we can't forget about respiratory infections, whether they're in the upper or lower parts of the system, which are often culprits too.